Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. If your screen suddenly looks yellowish or warmer than usual, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix monitor yellow tint screen in Windows 10 and 11 in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. The very first thing you should check is whether your nightlight is turned on. To do that, open the Windows search box and type nightlight. If it's turned on, that's most likely the reason for the yellow tint. Simply turn it off, and your screen should go back to normal colors right away. Now, if the problem still isn't fixed, here's the second method. Go to your Windows search box again, and this time, type Color Management and open it. Make sure the box labeled Use My Settings for this device is checked. Then, click on the Add button. Choose sRGB IEC 61966-2.1 from the list. Click OK, then close the window. Finally, restart your PC, and that's it. Your display should now look normal again without that annoying yellow tint. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.